Students, come here. Come. My name is Ben, and I am a vampire. Now, do you want to be a vampire? Yes or no?
No.
No?
No.
No?
No.
Oh man. No one wants to be a vampire anymore. Come on. Do you want to be a vampire?
No. I'm scared. You be a vampire.
Okay, yeah.
Yes? Okay. So you have to go out. Go out. And knock on the door. Now, ask me, can I come in?
Can I come in?
Yes! Yes, yes, yes. And now, don't move. Zzz. You are a vampire. Say, I am a vampire!
I am a vampire.
Who wants to be a vampire?
Okay, I'll be a vampire.
Go out, go out. Knock on the door. Can I come in?
Can I come in?
Do you want to be a vampire?
Do I have to say yes? Yes, I want to be a vampire.
Okay. Now you are a vampire.
I am a vampire.
Yes! 1, 2, 3 vampires, and you're not a vampire.